Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial video, I'm going to teach you how you can sort your lists in your Trello board and workspace really quickly. So let us get started right away. In the first step, head over to Trello, log into your account and select the workspace in the top left corner. So let me go with this one here. After that, select the board from that left panel here. Let me go with that one here for demonstration purposes. And here to the right, you will see your lists and also cards associated to that list. So to sort these cards inside that list, guys, simply click on these three dots in the top right corner of your list. And from that drop-down menu, select Sort By. And after that, simply decide whether you'd like to sort your cards in your list alphabetically, for example, or from oldest or newest first. So let me go, for example, with alphabetical. Just like that. And as you can see, these cards have been sorted alphabetically from A to Z or from Z to A. And that's basically it, guys. That's how you do it. I hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.